branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Mommy! Happy birthday, Ate Pam. God bless you always. Take care. I love you.
Hi, Ate Pam. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Happy 27th birthday, my lovely daughter Pamila Ann. I wish to all more birthday to come in your life and good health and stay beautiful and lovely daughter. Nat, I miss you so much. I hope you understand me. I'm not always beside you. You know, I'm here to watch for with you. Your moms. I love you so much.
Mila, inaw-taong ka nga daghang katuigan nga mo abot sa imong ginabuhi. Salamat, Mila.
Birthdays. First of all, I want to say thank you for being so generous to us. Thank you for being a good sister. Bisan masahay, mag-away, kaya nga tigre mabud ka. Joke. Kanang, be positive always. Bisan, kapoy laban lang niya. More chicas to come. More baby boys to ikat nito. Joke. Bito, bisan mag-away ta per me. Ay, usahay di ay. Kaya nang ayaw kalimting, naara ko, si muluyo, bisan ako diha. Bitaw kanang tagay na kong pagumangkod, joke. Thank you po sa mga load. Thank you kay bisan busy kay kasi mong kuan pa mo grado, imo gud ta kanog time nga. Imuan ko ni mga activities kung maglisod ko. Iban-ibanin na ang pagka-roar. Kay aron dili mabugnuan sa mga igsuon. Bitaw, amping ka permi diha.
I don't think you minded if I change your name to something new.